A sudden tariff threat from President Trump against 8 EU nations has sent shockwaves through the crypto market, triggering over $800 million in liquidations. Ripple's XRP fell below $2, pressured by the Clarity Act bill delay and a notable drop in futures open interest, reflecting risk aversion among traders. Technical indicators show bearish momentum, with XRP struggling to recover above key moving averages and support levels. Imagine a world where every flight's data is locked tight against hackers, thanks to blockchain. NASA just tested a blockchain-based system with Alta-X drones, aiming to make air traffic data tamper-proof and transparent. This tech could be the backbone for secure, autonomous air travel, as drones and flying taxis fill the skies. Ethereum's daily transaction volume has soared to unprecedented levels, while gas fees have plunged to historic lows. This shift is powered by Layer 2 scaling, proof-of-stake upgrades, and zk-EVM tech, enabling diverse DeFi, NFT, and enterprise use cases. Lower costs now make microtransactions and complex operations viable, signaling Ethereum's maturity as a decentralized financial infrastructure. Wallet linked to the Trump team just transferred $2 million worth of Trump tokens to Binance, sparking debate over possible sell pressure. On-chain data shows 381,000 Trump tokens moved in multiple transactions, but no official explanation has been given. Traders are watching closely to see if these tokens will be sold or simply held, as such moves often impact short-term market sentiment. A Bitcoin whale just cashed out after holding for 12 years, securing a jaw-dropping 250% profit. The wallet sold 500 BTC, originally bought at $332 each, for around $265 million, with another 500 BTC moved to Binance. With 500 BTC still left, the market is watching closely for the next move. A top architect of China's digital yuan was convicted for accepting 2,000 ETH in bribes, worth about $37 million. Investigators found a hardware wallet in Yao Qian's office, exposing his secret crypto dealings. This case highlights how blockchain's transparency made it impossible to hide illicit transactions, even for those shaping national digital currency. Hackers accessed GSPlatformCo Inc.'s customer data system, impacting 537,877 users in the US last year. While sensitive credentials were not leaked, names, contact details, and transaction histories were exposed. The company has secured systems, notified users, and urges vigilance against suspicious communications. Imagine a blockchain platform where your digital bank, NFT marketplace, and online identity all run seamlessly on Picoin. Pi Network is rolling out next-gen decentralized apps, expanding Picoin's role from currency to powering financial, creative, and identity services. This move aims to boost real-world adoption and position Pi Network as a key player in the Web3 ecosystem. Institutional demand for spot Bitcoin ETFs just hit $1.42 billion in 1 week, the strongest inflow since October. This surge was driven by reduced whale selling and tightening supply, with Wednesday alone seeing $844 million in net inflows. However, experts caution the trend is still early, and sustained ETF demand is needed for a lasting price rally. Stake and Shake just boosted its Bitcoin reserve by $10 million, showing how crypto is reshaping fast food finance. Since accepting Bitcoin payments via the Lightning Network in May 2025, the chain's sales have jumped 15% month over month. All Bitcoin payments go straight into their strategic reserve, fueling upgrades and expansion without raising menu prices. Major international raid has exposed the Black Basta ransomware group, revealing hundreds of millions in crypto-related damages. Authorities from 5 countries seized digital evidence and assets, while the group's alleged leader remains on Interpol's wanted list. Investigators say Black Basta targeted hospitals and major companies, using double extortion tactics and demanding massive crypto ransoms. Could Ethereum be staging a comeback as a major crypto whale increases their long position to over $900 million? Arkham reports that the hyper-unit whale, linked to Garrett Jin, boosted their Ether long by $66.2 million, bringing total ETH exposure to $733.3 million. Meanwhile, ETH's market dominance remains steady at 12.5%, with bullish momentum indicators and rising trading volume suggesting renewed confidence in the market.